Windows play a vital role in your home's comfort, beauty, and energy efficiency. In Fort Lauderdale, where sunshine, humidity, and tropical storms are part of daily life, keeping your windows in top condition is essential. However, even the best windows don't last forever. Over time, exposure to coastal weather and aging materials can reduce their performance. Here are the top signs that it may be time to call in professionals for window replacement in your Fort Lauderdale home. Rising energy bills. If you've noticed your energy bills creeping up, your windows may be the culprit. Drafty or inefficient windows allow cool air to escape and hot air to enter, forcing your air conditioner to work harder. In Fort Lauderdale's warm climate, this can quickly add up. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced insulation and energy-efficient glass that helps maintain indoor comfort while lowering utility costs. Investing in professional window replacement can significantly improve your home's energy performance and reduce monthly expenses. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that stick, jam, or won't stay open are more than just inconvenient. They're a sign of structural wear or frame damage. Over time, wood frames can swell from humidity, metal parts may rust, and seals can warp from sun exposure. In Fort Lauderdale, where humidity levels are consistently high, these issues are common. A professional installer can assess the damage and recommend new, smooth operating windows that restore both functionality and safety to your home. Noticeable drafts or leaks. Do you feel a breeze even when your windows are closed? Drafts indicate that the seals or caulking have deteriorated. Moisture intrusion is another major warning sign, especially in coastal regions where rain and salt air accelerate deterioration. If water leaks in during heavy storms, it can cause mold growth, wall damage, and wood rot. Professional window replacement with properly sealed, weather-resistant products ensures that your home remains watertight and comfortable all year long. Condensation between window panes. Modern double or triple pane windows are filled with insulating gas to keep your indoor temperature stable. When you see condensation or fogging between the panes, it means that the seal has failed and the gas has escaped. Once this happens, the window loses its insulating properties. This not only affects energy efficiency but also diminishes your home's aesthetic appeal. A window replacement expert can install new, properly sealed windows to restore clarity and insulation. Outside noise penetration. Living in Fort Lauderdale often means dealing with street noise, nearby traffic, or the hum of city life. If you're noticing more outside noise than before, your windows might be losing their soundproofing ability. Newer models with laminated or double pane glass can significantly reduce outside noise, creating a quieter and more relaxing indoor space. Professional installation ensures that the windows are properly fitted to maximize their noise-reducing benefits. Faded furniture or flooring. The Florida sun is beautiful but harsh. Prolonged exposure to UV rays can fade carpets, furniture, and curtains. If your interiors are losing color despite closed windows, your glass likely lacks UV protection. Modern energy-efficient windows come with special coatings that block harmful rays while still allowing natural light to brighten your home. Replacing your old windows with UV-resistant models helps protect your investment in home decor. Outdated appearance. Curb appeal matters, especially in vibrant Fort Lauderdale neighborhoods. Old, damaged, or mismatched windows can make your home look dated and neglected. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to upgrade your property's look, new windows can instantly enhance your home's style. From sleek vinyl frames to elegant impact-resistant designs, professional window replacement allows you to customize your home's aesthetic while improving its performance. Upgrade for comfort, safety, and savings. Professional window replacement is not just about aesthetics, it's about comfort, safety, and long-term value. In Fort Lauderdale's unique coastal environment, high-quality, energy-efficient windows protect your home from heat, humidity, and storms while lowering energy costs. If you've noticed any of these warning signs, it's time to consult a trusted local window replacement company. With expert installation and modern window technology, you can enjoy a more beautiful, efficient, and resilient home for years to come.